Hi, welcome to a short tutorial about animating your buttons on your website. The function to animate a button is a wonderful way in drawing attention to the call to action. We will have a variety of scenarios and I'm going to explain some of them to you now. Right here you'll see that we've got a button that's right here that says get started. It will open up your settings and you need to scroll until you get to the animation part of it, which is right here. You'll see we've got a time, a when visible, a click and a hover. Basically they all do the same thing, it's just time is based on when a certain time has passed. The reader is going to see whatever the effect is you've created. When visible is the moment that the page is been shown to him where that specific button is on. That is when they click and that is when they hover. So we're going to go to time and we're going to try the time one first. You'll see there is a time period you can use. This is in seconds, so make sure that you count it in seconds. We're just going to leave it at 5 for now. Then you'll see there's a variety of different things that you can choose right here. And when you choose them, I'm just going to do shake for an example. You can see how it shakes right here to show you what it's going to look like on the page. You can click on see again, or you can go and click on infinite and it will keep on shaking like this. It's really great if it is something that you want people to immediately take action or notice. So we're just going to take it off the infinite now and we're going to use fading because I like this button to only become available after a period of time so that the people can see that button right there. We're going to click on save. Once we saved it, make sure that your site is published. You're going to say yes, publish my website. If your site is brand new and you've just created it, give it some time. Then you're going to go back to your website and you're going to go view it. And now you're going to see that the button is not there, but after a few seconds it is going to appear on your page. There we go. So you can see the button has been created. So let's go to another one right here. We are going to scroll in on the same page and we're going to see here is another button. Right click on this button here and then we're going to choose something else. This time we are going to say when visible. What is the effect that we want to choose? So I'm going to go through this here and if we do the flash, I like to use this one. I'm going to click on save and then I'm going to click yes, publish my website. It is a good idea not to check it in preview because some of the things is only available on a live website and not on a preview. So if you want to and you're like me, you can always go and publish it again just to make 100% sure that the effect was taken by just clicking on that button and clicking publish. Now sometimes when you do take a look at the site and it is not showing up exactly, remember that you can go and clean your cage and cookies and look at it again. So you see this button is going to come up now because it's a few seconds that goes past. And as we scroll down, you can see how this one is now flickering. At the moment that I touch it, it stopped. And that is basically how it works with animation. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in another. Bye.